Welcome everyone. I finally went and did it. I finally got rid of my rickety old folding 2 foot by 4 foot table, which is good for picnics. Turns out not really that good for weapon support when you're trying to work for some accuracy. I mean, it did okay. You all have seen my groups posted, but it takes a lot of focus and a lot of attention. And I've always wondered if one of these stable tables from Caldwell would be a solution for me. And I got to try one at RMAC this year, and I was favorably impressed. Now, I got to be honest, for years, I couldn't really get into something like this because my weight prevented it. I was too heavy for the weight rating for the table, but now I'm easily comfortably within the weight rating on this. It is 275 pounds. I'm well below that. And, with some modifications that we're going to talk about in a future episode, this will even elevate the game of this table even more. One of the things I really appreciate about this is it's really easy to put together. Let's take a look at taking this out of the box and putting it together right now. Congratulations on your new stable table. Let's get this package opened up. Inside, you're going to find a bunch of packing materials and stuff. You're going to want to unwrap everything before you get started. Get rid of all of the excess foam and stuff like that. And then you're going to want to locate the all-important hardware kit, which on mine is tucked away right under here. There it is. And put that aside because that's going to be important. Next, we're going to put the first adjustable leg on. Make sure you put the pin in first. I neglected to do that when I put mine together, and I had to go back and do it later, but do that first before you tighten the thumb screw. Now we're going to put in the other pins in the other legs, and that's it for them. They go together really quickly. There they are. All three legs are now installed on the base. Super easy. Next, we're going to bolt the top to the stanchion that secures it to the post. And for these, you want to make sure that you get all of these fasteners threaded in the brass inserts nicely. And don't tighten them yet. Just get them all started. Do use the flat washers to help spread the load on these fasteners. But important that you want to make sure you get these threaded straight into the brass fittings in the plastic tabletop so that you don't create an issue later. Once you get them all started and they're all loose, then go around and tighten them all down and you'll be good to go. Next, we're going to put the nylon bearing ring on the base and then put the vertical post in place. This is what actually holds your seat and your tabletop together to the base. So it just drops in there and then you can tighten it down. You can adjust this later to get the seat to skew to one side or the other. Do put your pin in there. That's going to be the longest pin that you have. And then I found it easiest to bolt the seat on to this with it mounted because it was up high on the truck. Then we're going to just take the top that we just finished putting together and drop it on. Tighten down that thumb screw. And folks, that pretty much completes our build of the Caldwell Stable Table. I hope you had fun. Once you have this all put together, and you've got a range like I do here, my airgun range, the official Target Forge airgun range, you can leave it set up. I am going to make a cover for this so that it's not getting bombed with the sun all the time. That will often wreck just about anything you put out here, that California sun. So I am going to make a cover for this. But one thing I like about this is its portability. With no tools at all, you can knock this table down very quickly, break it down into its constituent parts, pack it in a bag or throw it in the back of your truck, and take it anywhere you need to. It's really, really portable. So totally tool-free setup and tear down and storage. I really like that about this design. Am I wild about the plastic top? Well, you know what? In this price range, it is what it is. You're going to get what you pay for. Would I make a nice wooden Probably ceramic tile top for one day. I might replace this one day, but for right now, this thing is just outstanding, and I am really impressed with how stable it feels. I mean, I've got a Springer on here, and I can get right down to business here, and and be comfortable. And with the seat, I can adjust the height of the seat up and down. I can make this. It's already pretty much ambidextrous. You can shift the table one way or the other and get that left hand and right hand feel. But this table for the money is a great bargain, and due to its portability and its stability once it's set up, I think it's a great buy. Hey, the Stable Table's got one more trick up its sleeve. It's got a pair of rifle holders that fit right in the handholds on the table. Nice and secure. They will hold just about any rifle you've got. They've got a hard plastic molded body with a rubber insert to give it some grip. And this is great for running a patch through your gun or doing some work on the scope. It really is handy. Thanks for watching, everybody. You have a great day.